Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. If you're over here checking out the Frequent Flyer, that means you vibe on a different frequency. We on a different vibe over here. So all my frequencies out there, I'm back out here at the park. We on a vibe, all RCs on this channel. Cars, we do drones, anything that flies or drives. Only reason we don't mess with boats because we're not near any water. Ain't no water near us. But I'm back out here at the park to fly something again. And today, I just had an urge to fly this thing. So this is a TIE fighter. All my Star Wars fans out there, y'all recognize this, I'm pretty sure. But this thing isn't licensed by Disney for Star Wars or whatnot, so it's not official. But you guys know what this thing is. This is a TIE fighter. You know what I'm saying? So this thing is, in my opinion, the best flying TIE fighter ever. As far as a drone is concerned, this thing is awesome. It's the second best flying RC Star Wars model, in my opinion. The Propel speeder bike is my favorite of all. That thing is awesome. But this thing definitely flies better than the Propel version of the TIE fighter, in my opinion. Very happy that I was able to score 2 of these. These things came from China, and I think it was going to be a licensed product because the one that I received did say Star Wars on it and all of that stuff, but it didn't say, I'm not sure if it said Disney on it or not, but they ended up losing the license or whatnot. I did find another one on Amazon around that time, and next thing you know, they just took these things off the shelf, I think. And so this is very, very rare. I haven't been able to find these things around anywhere, but it flies really awesome. I'll have a link in the description to my original review video of this guy. And I was raving about how awesome it flies and show you how it flies in the video. We're going to check it out today in a park setting. I don't think I've ever flown this thing in such an open space as a park like this. And so we're gonna have fun with it. That's my intention. And so I did do a mod to it. Let me show you guys the mods I did. I cut the back of the battery bay open so that the battery leads can stick out of here. And I also swapped out the battery lead to a PH 2.0. And that's just for my own convenience because I have a bunch of these little short batteries, 300 milliamp hour packs that have this connection on it from another drone that I have. I think the drone came with like 4 apiece, and I have 3 of the drones, and so I got a bunch of these little batteries. So I wanted to adapt that battery plug to this thing so I can have that resource. I am thinking about doing a mod to my second one, or maybe this one. The second one that I haven't done any mods or anything to it. I was thinking about turning this into a Darth Vader TIE fighter. All my Star Wars fans, you know what I'm talking about. It curves in that way. It's the same, but this just curves in on the top and the bottom, and it's a different color. It's more of a dark smoky shade of gray. And so I'm thinking about doing that mod. Seems like a pretty easy mod for me in the chop shop, so I think I'll be doing that. Sheesh, there's a squirrel over there rolling over and stuff. I don't know what the heck he's doing over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. And another squirrel's creeping up on him. He's hiding behind that tree right there. That little guy's acting weird too. But anyhow, back to this TIE fighter. We're going to get this guy up in the air. I'm going to try to do some flips with it. I think I probably can pull off some double flips with it. It flips in all directions. It flips forward, it flips to the sides, and it looks awesome in the air. And so I also was thinking about swapping out the, sheesh, we have a street cleaner up here, a street sweeper or whatnot, cleaning the streets. Can't complain about that. They need to get in here and clean up the park. Got some litter bugs out in this area here. But anyhow, this TIE Fighter here, I was thinking about swapping out the FC as well so I can make it deviation compatible, because I'm stuck with flying it with this transmitter here. It's not a bad transmitter for a thumber, but you guys know that flying it with a hobby grade transmitter makes a world of a difference on deviation. And so this street sweeper is getting kind of loud, so let's hurry up and get this guy up in the air, and I still got to go to work anyhow. We're in second rate with it. I'm going to high rates with it. Check it out, y'all. Let's try to do a flip. It does a front flip. Let me turn it sideways so you guys can see it flipping. Swooping down with it. This thing is awesome for such a big craft, an oddly shaped craft. Definitely looking forward to swapping out the FC so I can have a little more smooth flight with it. Check it out. Thing looks awesome, if you ask me. Let's try a double flip. Sheesh. I think I might have did a triple flip there. Let's try a double side flip. Oops. I did a regular one. Try it again. Oh, we're going the wrong direction. Not in the trees. Thought I was facing myself, and I was facing away from myself, flying directly into the trees. Yeah, see, I can't really bank the turns as I would like to. It does bank, but not as smooth as I would like to. Deviation will straighten all of this jerkiness out with the turning and all. This thing actually looks awesome, flipping sideways, coming towards you. It actually has enough pitch to make it go down if you're doing full forward and flying fast. Sheesh, that was an awkward turn. The battery is getting low. So one thing I can say, that if this thing got stuck in a tree, I know I would have a hard time getting this thing out of a tree. I just imagine these wings getting caught up in the branches and all. Yeah, it's getting real wobbly and shaky. This battery isn't the freshest battery. Had these batteries for years. So it's about time for me to update or upgrade my batteries now for all my little micro quads. So I'm gonna bring this guy in. I ain't gonna fly it too long in this wobbly state. See if we can get it flying around some trees and stuff though. Oh, it looks like we're going down. I had fun flying it. It's the TIE Fighter. It's not official, it's unofficial, but this thing is awesome. The best looking TIE Fighter from Star Wars, made into a drone model that I've ever seen. Thanks for watching.